And finally, let's turn to the question 4, which says the market structure of the local boat industry is best characterized by the monopolistic competition. Homer's Boat Manufacturing is one of the producers in the local market. The demand for Homer's boat is, question 4, QD is given as 5,000 minus P. Homer's cost function is, the total cost function is 3Q square. Determine Homer's profit maximizing level of output, and the price charged to the customers. And is this a long-run equilibrium? So this market is defined as, it's said in the question, defined as the monopolistic competition. So this is the total cost for Homer's boat manufacturing, but there are lots of firms producing the similar boat, not the same. Please remember the most important point for the monopolistic competition is a product differentiation. So there are lots of boat producers in the market, but the boats are not the same, are not identical. They are just similar to each other. And the total cost for the one producer, Homer's boat manufacturing, is given in this question. And it is also asked, is this a long-run equilibrium? How can we decide if it is long-run equilibrium or not? The criterion is that if the profit is greater than 0, if there is a positive profit for Homer's boat, so we can say that, or it could be also negative or positive, both is possible. If it is different, or let's say if it is different than 0, then we can say that this is a short-run equilibrium. But if we can find the profit equal to 0, we can say that this is a long-run equilibrium. So we will find profit maximizing level of output, price, then profit, and we will just look at if it is equal or not to 0 to decide if it is short-run or long-run equilibrium. Start with the demand function. This is normal demand. We need to find inverse demand. P equal to 5,000 minus Q. That is inverse demand. And from here, total revenue as a function of Q is 5,000 Q minus Q square, and marginal revenue is 5,000 minus 2Q. That is the marginal revenue. The total cost function is given as 3Q square, so we can say that marginal cost is 6Q, positive slope, linear marginal cost the firm have. And we will equalize that marginal revenue to the marginal cost. For profit maximizing level of output, we will equalize marginal revenue to marginal cost. 5,000 minus 2Q equal to 6Q. So from here, the profit maximizing level of output Q star is 625. And by inserting that value into the demand function, inverse demand function, we will get P equal to 5,000 minus 225. Profit maximizing price is 4,375. So let's find the profit of the firm, which is price times quantity minus total cost, which is given as 3Q square in this question. Price is 4,375 times quantity 625 minus 3 times Q square. And when you calculate it, you will get 1,562,500, which is very different than 0. We have a positive profit here, so we can say that this is not a long run equilibrium. It's a short run equilibrium. It's a not long run equilibrium. It's a short run equilibrium. Şimdi biz dersimizde monopolcu rekabet piyasası için pozitif karın olduğu bir örnek verdik ama öyle olmak zorunda değil. Tıpkı tam rekabet piyasasında olduğu gibi orada da negatif kar durumu da söz konusu olabilir. Piyasaya giriş ve çıkışın serbest olduğunu söyledik tam rekabetteki gibi. Dolayısıyla eğer pozitif bir kar varsa piyasaya girişler olacak. Negatif kar varsa uzun dönemde piyasadan çıkışlar olacak. Sonunda tıpkı tam rekabet piyasasındaki gibi long run equilibrium'un sağlanacağını söyledik. Burada pozitif bir kar bulduğumuz için uzun dönem değildir, kısa dönemdir dedik. Negatif bulsaydık yine aynı sonucu söyleyecektik. Sıfır bulsaydık evet bu uzun dönem dengesidir. Firma normal karla çalışmaktadır. Sonucuna varacaktık. Okay, that was the all of the problem sessions for this year. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.